Hello everyone, this is Wei, and today we're going to talk about OpenLive3D April and May update. So in these 2 months, we didn't do too much. We're trying to integrate the media pipe vision framework with the new holistic model so that we'll be able to run it in multi-thread and also run the holistic model to support the new 52 blend shape, right? And when we're trying to do it in March, we reported that both these features, multi-thread and 52 blend shape, are supported in the new holistic library that was just added at the end of February, I believe. And we did some experiments, so there's a link experiment repository that I wrote. So in this experiment, we're trying to run these two at once at the same time. And we found that there is actually an issue that everyone is currently tracking, that the new holistic model doesn't really work while we're using multi-thread and we're running that on GPU to get the new 52 blend shape. So after some research, we found that this is still a blocking item. We're still not able to move from the old holistic framework to the new one yet. So we're still waiting. That's pretty much the progress, right? So we did have some testing, we did have some experiment. If you any of you would like to see the progress, you can check the issue, and any of you would like to maybe continue on the experiment to further testing that, you can also check the experiment repository that I created. Although I would say it would be pretty hard for us to go on to continue for now, because it seems like it's just not just me but also other very senior members in the field are like also stuck currently because of this bug in the media pipe. So uh, we didn't have too much progress. So the things that we can still do is to wait for Google to actually update the library. So that is our to do. We're continue to waiting. There's a suggestion from the community member is to add a pause and play media media capture or camera capture, and I think this is a very good idea. It's a very good idea because you can like save some computation power. If you don't want to use a camera, you can just pause the video, and we can also add the hotkey. One of the problems is that I'm currently quite busy with my work. I got the 16 hours workday, and I don't have too much time because I will have to sleep a lot during weekend, right? So if any of you would like to contribute to this pause and play capture feature, it would be great. It would be awesome. And this repository, this OpenLive3D is always welcome for contribution. This is no exception. And I think this pause and play is not too complex of a feature. You will have to add a new configuration, a system configuration, and then from that system configuration, you can go into the media manager. Inside that media manager, add a new pause and play function, and then go to the GUI in the GUI manager. I'm talking about the modules inside the code right now. So in the GUI manager, you will be adding a new button that can call the function inside the media manager, right, to pause and play the function that you just wrote. And I think by that, you should be able to complete this pause and play features. Shouldn't be too hard. Let me know if any of you would like to contribute to this, and I'll be glad to also support, and also we can share and we can discuss some of the architecture currently in our code. And that's it for these 2 months. Thank you. Bye bye.